Up. I am going to mute everyone. Today we will discuss 3 topics. First one, self-centered generation. Our first topic is self-centered generation. Hope Blackboard is visible to you people. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you understand by self-centered generation? Can anyone tell me anything about it?
Ma'am, Atmakendrit.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can you define self-centered generation in 2-3 lines?
Ma'am, one who thinks about himself, herself only.
One who thinks about himself or herself only are known as self-centered. Good, very good. So, do you think being self-centered is good?
No, ma'am, we should
Being
think about
self-centered
No,
is
ma'am.
not good. We should care about others too.
Yeah, we should care about others too. So, how will we define? Self-centered generation is a generation which only thinks about only. They are egocentric, selfish, and they forget their human virtues. What are the human virtues?
गुरुजी, मम्मी से मांग दो ना गुड़िया, प्लीज। छिला गया है गुड़िया, छिला गया, जहर लगा दो ना मांग।
Ma'am, please mute all.
Yes. Earlier also I muted everyone. So, understood? Self-centered
Yes, ma'am.
is a generation that only thinks about their own need. Is a generation that only thinks about its own need. They are egocentric and selfish. They forget their human virtues. They don't care about others. They become irrational. So, if all the human beings on this earth are self-centered, what will happen? Now, we human beings are facing a lot of problems. Do you think all these problems are only because we are self-centered? What happened?
Yes.
We have seen it right now in the month of April and May when the country was, or you can say the whole world was facing a very critical time. What were some people doing? They were doing black marketing of life-saving drugs. Do you agree?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So, you don't agree that this is good. But they were doing. Hospitals, most of the private hospitals have started, suppose that their charge was 2,000 rupees a day. ICU charge was 2,000 rupees a day, means one day. So after 2 days, they want the patient to just vacate the room so that they can admit others, not because they want to save, because they want to charge extra money for that. So if we are not, if we don't forget our human virtues, we will be able to help the humanity. So now it's time.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, virtues means moral quality.
Yeah. Virtues means qualities. It is means जैसे बोलते हैं ना, good virtues. So all the virtues can be said as moral quality. What are the human virtues? What should we do to make our life worthy? What had Mahatma Hansraj done? What had so many freedom fighters did? They were not self-centered. They fought for the country. So, do you think we have done self-centered generation?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you people can write. We have. So if you have written up some points, it's okay. If you have not written, you can watch the video and write. Next, our next topic is media impact on teenagers. Do you think media plays important role?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So media.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you think every time media plays positive role?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
So media impact on teenagers. Media leaves very, you can say, vital impact on teenagers. Positive, if we talk of positive impact, it can be a good source of inspiration. It helps in developing social skills. Do you think YouTube is also media?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So, do you think YouTube guides us and misguides us? Both are there,
Ma'am, what?
है ना? YouTube तो हम लोगों को गाइड भी करता है, मिसगाइड भी करता है. If you
Yes,
use
ma'am.
if you use YouTube for good purposes, it is going to help you. It guides us. Suppose that I am taking class, I will upload the video on YouTube. Okay. So here it is helping. It is helping those students who are not able to join live classes. But what if you spend time in doing wasting time watching rubbish things? It is going to misguide you because you are wasting your time. Isn't it? So many things. Social media makes us aware about the things that is happening around us. It develops us. It helps us in developing identity. So, negative. When I am muting time and again, and you people are unmuting, and background noise is coming. Be sure, unless and until I tell you to unmute yourself, don't unmute. If you unmute to say something, you should mute after conveying your message. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, next, what is the next topic? Do you think we should add some more points or you can manage?
Ma'am, we can manage.
Okay. From Monday, hope to meet you in school. So you people will be writing these articles.
मैम हम लोग मंडे को इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में क्या कौन सा बुक लेकर आएंगे?
On Monday.
यस मैम.
That we will
Literature.
literature, reason of literature. We have not done literature for a long time.
मैम इंग्लिश
and
लिटरेचर.
on Tuesday,
हाँ, Tuesday तो फिर तुम लोगों का 50-50
one day, मैम 1 day literature and 1 day reader and 1 day practice.
तो उसमें क्या होगा अगर if you are coming on Monday, so your will be Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing will be repeated on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Saturday.
Is it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So would you like to add a few points? Next is good deed reflect good character. Good deed reflect good character. Do you think good deed reflect good character?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How can you say so?
When we do good things with other, then we are concluded by other as a good person.
Yeah. Why we remember all the freedom fighters, all the social workers? Why do we remember them? Because
Because they
Because
help,
for their
because
good
they help
deeds.
our country to become freedom.
yes,
Freed the country from Britishers.
yes. So so freedom fighters fought for the freedom of our country. Social workers worked for the upliftment of the for the people who were less blessed, who were ignored. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what?
So we can do that. Your deeds are those small things that project onto others. What you do that reflects on others. The action and attitude that you carry towards the others are a true reflection of who you are deep inside. Such a nice line, who you are deep inside. Sometimes we show that we are very nice. But if you are not nice from inside, your action will speak. It is said that action speaks louder than the words. So you can add these lines. Action speaks louder than words. It is rightly said, character is a diamond that stretches every stone. Deeds that makes others happy, content, blissful, and joyful.
Ma'am, on which page number is this?
Oh, I am telling of myself, it is in no page number. You cannot find. So if you want to write, you can. या अगर बोलोगे तो कुछ छोटा-छोटा small videos बना के दे दूंगी इसमें जिसमें quotations होंगे related.
आपने वीडियोस भेजे हैं ना कुछ वर्ड्स दो वर्ड्स के लिए न्यू वर्ड के लिए
And some means
facial expressions.
हाँ 2 और idiomatic 2 or 3 idiomatic expression. आप जो लास्ट वीडियो, जब मैंने कल जो वीडियो भेजा था उसमें प्रीवियस 4 वीडियोस का लिंक है, ठीक है। वो 4 वीडियो जो कि आप मतलब स्मॉल वीडियोस है जो कि मैंने इडियोमेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस एंड न्यू वर्ड्स पे बनाए हैं। एक्चुअली डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वी कैन से अननोन। वो वर्ड तभी तक डिफिकल्ट होता है जब तक वो आपके लिए अननोन हो। जैसे वो वर्ड आपके लिए नोन हो जाता है वो डिफिकल्ट नहीं रहता है ना। तो तुम लोगों को चाहिए कि एक वीडियो 2 मिनट का है, 2 वीडियो 3 मिनट समथिंग का है, एक वीडियो 7 मिनट्स का होगा आई थिंक। तो कितना समय लगता है? समय तो ज्यादा लगेगा नहीं। अगर एक बार मतलब एक वीडियो को 2 से 3 बार देख लेते हो तो उसमें जितने वर्ड्स हैं और जितने इडियोमेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस हैं दैट विल बी योर्स। ये क्लास के बाहर मतलब क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग तो मैं भेजती हूँ, ये एक्स्ट्रा वीडियो मैं बनाती हूँ जस्ट फॉर यू पीपल, तुम्ही लोग के लिए बनाते हैं। इससे तुम लोग कम से कम, आई नो यू पीपल डोंट फाइंड दैट मच, जिन लोगों ने क्लास अटेंड कर लिया है वो उतना समय फिर से वीडियो को देखने में नहीं देते हैं, बट यू कैन स्पेयर 2-3 मिनट्स ना। अगर तुम लोग उसको देखोगे, तुम लोगों से मतलब तुम लोगों को उससे इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, देन आई विल मेक सच टाइप ऑफ वीडियोस मोर एंड मोर। कभी मैं यूज ऑफ जैसे बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि PHE का प्रोनाउंसिएशन कब दी होगा और कब द होगा। तो एक वीडियो मैं उसके लिए भी बनाना सोच रही हूँ, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग आई कांट टीच यू इन द क्लास। हम लोगों का सिलेबस पीछे हो जाएगा, है ना।
यस मैम।
तो दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट जो कन्वे करना है। देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, सोशल मीडिया का पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट है ना। What is the basic purpose of reader work? To know new words and idiomatic expression, improve your writing skill. तो 40 मिनट्स के क्लास को मैं सम अप कर देती हूँ 3 से 4 मिनट में। जिस बच्चे को क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी हो वो क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग देख ले, जिनको क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं देखनी हो वो वीडियो को देख, है ना। हम लोग ये कर रहे थे, सॉरी गुड डिड कैरेक्टर। तो ये सारे राइटिंग सेक्शन पे भी छोटे छोटे वीडियोस बना के, आई डोंट थिंक 1-2 बार ये करके मीन्स अगर तुमको लगेगा कि इम्पोर्टेंट है तो वीडियो बना के भेज दूंगी। हाँ देखो, one writer is there, Longfellow, in his Sum of Life has praised people with good character. He says, lives of great men, lives, फिर किसी ने अपने आप को अनुशंसा, noise is coming from your side. Harsh Raj, do you want to say something? Kumar Anshu, do you want to say something? Satvik, do you want to say something? So, lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. देखो कितना नाइस एक्सप्रेशन है, footprints on the sands of time. टाइम का कोई सैंड होता है क्या?
No.
No, ma'am.
What does the poet want to say? Means poet wants to say that if we do good work, people remember it even after death. Why we remember Mahatma Hansraj? Why we remember all the great people? Because we remember their good work. Do we remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you think these two topics are not two, three topics? ये जितनी टॉपिक्स मैं बता रही हूँ, one question worth 8 marks is sure to come. अगर 80 मार्क्स का ऑफलाइन एग्जाम होगा तो इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन 80 मार्क्स के तो आ ही सकते हैं. अगर ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हुआ 40 मार्क्स का तो ये क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स में आ सकते हैं. बट दे आर, मतलब यू कैन थिंक, अगर ये चार टॉपिक को अगर तुम लोग लर्न कर लिए अच्छे से, लर्न मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं से निकालो और उसमें बस I am not talking about rote memory. Just learn to write. Points.
Ma'am, can you repeat all the topics?
Topics. Yes, I can. First one is the self-centered generation. The self-centered generation. Center को हम लोग दो तरफ से लिखते हैं. One American format, another Indian format. So self-centered generation. Second is media impact on teenagers. Do you think I should write media?
Yes, ma'am.
Media impact on teenagers. Just think, notice one thing, self-centered generation. I have written S capital. ऐसा नहीं है कि capital S सिर्फ यही होता. It is not like that. If it is written in this way, it is capital. If it is written in this way, it is small. No. If it is with the size of L, मतलब हम लोग 4 lines copy पे लिखते हैं तो कैसे? 1, 2, 3, 4, ये 4 lines copy हो गई ना? तो S, E, L, F. That it is capital और इसको अगर 2 lines के अंदर लिख दिया then it is small. इसको छोटा कर देंगे तो very small. So self-centered generation, S capital, C capital, G capital. When we write caption, we keep capital. Heading जो होगा, heading का first word, at least first letter capital होगा. So media, M capital, impact, I capital, teenager, T capital. Third one, good deed reflects good character. Character. Okay. Fourth one. So many topics are there. सारे टॉपिक्स लिख दो. Caring for elderly. Caring for elderly. So these
मैम मैम कैपिटल एस और स्मॉल एस के बारे में बताएंगे, फिर से बता दीजिए.
Capital when we write caption, when we write heading, all the words will start with capital letter. जब भी हम लोग हेडिंग लिखेंगे तो हेडिंग अगर सपोज सेल्फ सेंटर्ड जनरेशन, दिस हेडिंग है 3 वर्ड्स हेडिंग, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड जनरेशन, S is capital, C is capital, G is capital. Media, impact on teenagers, M is capital, I is capital, even O is capital, and P is capital. Next, good deed reflects good character. G should be capital, B should be capital, R should be capital, D should be capital, and C should be capital. Caring for elderly, C should be capital, F should be capital, E should be capital. इतना तो at least these are the for half yearly. मैं सारा लिखवा दे रही हूँ. Next one is success comes to those who will and dare. ये भी हाफ ईयरली का टॉपिक हो सकता है because we have done enterprises and in enterprises this topic is there. Okay, may I write here or I should rub?
Ma'am, rub.
ऊपर से रब करके फिर से लिख दूं? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Fifth, success comes to those who will and dare. Is it in French? French में है? Dare फ्रेम में नहीं है.
लास्ट में लिख रहा है,
Dare,
लास्ट में लिख रहा है.
हाँ last
Ma'am, will
will and dare. यहाँ लिखती हूँ. Will and dare. अगर एक तो हेडिंग इतना लंबा होना नहीं चाहिए कि वो 2 लाइन में जाए. बट अगर 2 लाइन में जा रहा है तो यहाँ पर बड़ी हो गया ना, तो and there. Next, 6. What is the 6th topic? हाँ, nature conservation. Nature, 6th is nature after that values of games and sports in life. Seven, values of games and sports in life. And one more should be there. Tolerance, need of the heart. 8th is tolerance, need of the so these are the topic. Up to 5 we can say it is very important for half year. 8 topics are there. Up to 5 is very important for half yearly, and rest 3 are very important for annual final exam.
Ma'am, would you like to discuss tolerance need of the hour?
Should we discuss right now? तुम लोग भूल नहीं जाओगे? वही है tolerance need of the hour and self-centered generation. अगर if we write a topic how to get rid of self-centered generation, you will be getting points for tolerance need of the hour. Why people have become self-centered? Because they are not tolerant. Why? So many incidents we have heard. Sometimes friend kills friend. Why? Crime graph is rising very fast. Crime graph भी rise कर रहा है ना? Because people are not tolerant. People are not tolerating. Why? Life-saving drugs were sold in very high price. अगर किसी मेडिसिन का मतलब MRP 3000 है, वो 50,000 में सेल हुआ. Why? Because people are not tolerant. They just want to make easy money. मेहनत करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. वो टाइम वेट करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. So tolerance, children are becoming impatient. They are not listening to their parents. Students are not listening to teachers. जब ये normal classes भी चलते हैं या sometimes virtual class. Also you can find in virtual class also that some students do some mischief. Why? Because they are being misguided. They are not tolerant. They अपने आप को, because doing easy things, doing enjoyment is good. मतलब it's very easy, not good, very bad, but it is very easy. Reading needs devotion. So you may think पढ़ाई करने से अच्छा है थोड़ा सा शैतानी कर लेते हैं. Sometimes it comes in your mind. Means not in everyone's mind. जितने स्टूडेंट अभी 23 स्टूडेंट्स 23 participants I am able to see. If I will start calling, I would found a few students are not listening. They will not be able to answer me. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Only 6-7 students are there or maybe 10. Okay, जितने लोग मेरे को listen कर रहे हैं hand raise कर दो मुझे पता चल जाएगा. How many students are listening to me?
मैम इससे अच्छा वीडियो ऑन करवा लीजिए.
4. हाँ, वाह, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने तो hand raise किया. Good, good. I am happy. हाँ देखो यहाँ से आदित्य आर्या, आदित्य राज, अंजलि कुमारी, आयुष राज, Bhavya, Neha, they have not raised hand. 11 students raised hand. Means only 11 are studying. What about the rest of them? They must be busy doing other things. Do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
13 students raised hand. So, okay, so many students left. 23 were there, now 17 are there. Okay, it is 9:40, but when class is running, Why to leave? ऐसा थोड़े है कि 41 हो गया, क्लास रन कर रहा है तो हम क्लास को लीव कर देंगे. Also success comes to those who will and dare. ये जब हम लोग enterprises पढ़ रहे थे, when we were doing enterprises, I have discussed it. Have I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And our rest topic, self-centered generation, we have done today. Media impact on teenagers, we have done today. Good deeds reflect good character, we have done today. Caring for the elderly. Do you think this should be a topic of learning?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now it has become a topic for learning because old age homes are being opened. Means it is running. So many adults are there who are sending their parents to old age home. Do you think